everybody, thanks for joining me in another one of my videos. Today we're going to be doing a concrete pour. So what are we pouring concrete in? The footings that I dug in the last video. So I'm starting in the back of the house, and I'll just be using some 80-pound bags of quikcrete. This is just the standard high strength concrete mix, and I'll be putting 2 bags in each hole, and that will achieve an 8-inch thick, at least an 8-inch thick footing. 4 of the bags that I got were busted like this one, so they are half price. These bags are normally $4.50, so you get them for $2.25 when they're busted. So I bought 4 busted, 4 not busted. Bought all the busted bags they had. All you do with quikcrete is mix in the appropriate amount of water, and then we're going to dump it in the hole. Then I'll mix up another batch and dump that in the hole. For mixing, you can get these little pans here. They sell them right beside the concrete, and just use a hoe or whatever else you got, a stick or your hands. I say your hands, but concrete's really rough on your hands. If you don't believe me, try it and you'll find out. Basically just looks like your skin kind of comes off. I think it's all the lime. Let me get started mixing this up and get these filled in with some concrete. Just like making pancakes, mix it with some water and pour it right in. 3 more to go. Today was a short visit to the house. Just want to get those footers poured, and I've done so. So yesterday I dug 4 holes. Today I filled 4 holes. And I'm hoping to come back tomorrow. I'll get the ledger board attached to the house. Thank you for those of you who reminded me of the proper term. And maybe get the deck portion of this framed out and start planning out the roof. I'll do the same thing in the back. But for the rest of the day, I think I'm going to go and try to get the audiobook version of my How to Buy Cheap Houses book finished up. I've been getting a few people asking me about that, and it reminded me about it. So, hoping to get that finished maybe today and tomorrow night. So, I'll be missing out on all this nice weather. I was hoping to maybe go fishing today. I want to go to the river with the canoe, but I really need to get some stuff done. I've got some other things I'll talk about in the future. It's very demanding on my time right now that I'm working on. That'll just have to be a teaser comment for now, but we'll get to all that later on. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment, and check out the description below. That's going to have the link for my book if you're interested in it, How to Buy Cheap Houses, and it just goes over the stories of how I bought houses just like this. And this one is one of the more expensive ones I bought. So I've bought houses as little as $5,000, and in that book I describe how and give you some tips on how to go about it in your area. So thanks for watching. See you next time.